Just got new replacement handle for Bialetti Moka Induction 2 cups. So it came with a pin and the handle. You may notice there is no hole in the handle, so we have to do a new hole here. The hole diameter is about 2.2 millimeters. So I don't have a drill 2.2, so we'll use 2 millimeter drill. We will see how it's going. So first we have to remove an old handle to clean it a little bit here. Now we have to insert a new handle into its position. Something like this until the end. Not so easy, have to clean it a bit more. So inserted it to the end. Now we have to drill a 2 millimeter hole here. That's it. Now we will try to insert a new pin. Don't forget to put the cover first, so we have seen a hole. Let's try to do it. Hope it will be easy. Yeah, I need to use some tool. Yes, it's not so easy to insert, so I will do it that way. That's it, maybe a little more. Yes, now we have a new handle. Yes, looks nice, like new. Thank you for watching.